All right, in this next Easter 1 minute tip video, I want to answer Rebecca's question. Really good question. Love this idea. But she asked, Ryan, do you have any ideas when it comes to reaching a neighborhood right next to the church? It's a great idea. And let me give you 5 quick tips on how to do this. We got some more in-depth coaching inside the Ultimate Easter Kit on these strategies. But number 1 would be a door hanger campaign. Get some people together on a Saturday morning and just do door hangers throughout that neighborhood or neighborhoods right around the church. Number 2 would be Facebook ads. We'll coach you through how to do this, but really you could just say, hey, drop a pin right on that neighborhood, draw a circle, essentially a mile right around that, or whichever neighborhood you want to drop pins on, and you can target them with a very specific Facebook ad. Super cheap, super highly effective if you know what you're doing. Not that complicated, but if you know what you're doing, you can do it well. 3 would be invite cards, equipping people in those neighborhoods or apartment complexes with invite cards. 4 would be direct mail, a little bit more expensive, but can be very effective. Just say, hey, I want to target these zip codes or this neighborhood or this area. Can be very effective as well, especially if you partner that with some of these other strategies. And then idea number 5 would be to do an event specific to that neighborhood, especially if you've got some people that live there. You can get some leaders together and do something like an outreach event with inflatables or an Easter egg hunt that's hosted right there in that neighborhood and invite them to church. So cool idea that you can contextualize it for that neighborhood. But those would be my 5 tips to get you started. If you want more in-depth coaching, jump in the kit. All right, we'll see you in the next tip.